Okay, so here we have 2 solar spotlights from Auderwin. Thank you for sending them over. I did not buy them with my own money, they sent them. But the opinions and the views on this video are mine and solely mine. We will unpack them and test them outside, against the wall, and against the grass, and see how they illuminate and how they light. This is the instructions manual. Should be pretty straightforward based on the instructions. Yep, that is very nice and small. These are the 2 pegs that you can put on the ground if you want to mount them that way. This is the hardware if you mount them on the wall. Yes, they are mountable to the wall too. You take them out of the box. So here we have the stars of the show. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, let me take the other one quick. These have 60 LEDs inside right here. This is not jokes. Here we go. Unpack the other one. And the solar is quite a good cell on them. And you can put them either on the floor or the wall. And if you mount them on the wall alone, you just do this screw as you see right here. Just do this real quick. Release it just a little bit. You don't need to take it out completely. Just release it. And you could install them on the wall like this. As you see, there's 2 holes right there. And if you want to make it easier on yourself, just go here and you can take it completely out if you wish so. It's actually relatively easy. And when you take it out, then you have the 2 holes exposed. So you can just put the 2 screws on here and then put the lamp back on how it was. And in this case, I'm just going to put it back on really quick. And these are really easy actually to mount and unmount. Boom, just like that. Now, there's a button right here on the back that you can turn on and off, but it has to be charged first, obviously. But basically, that's the button you need to work with right here on the back. And if we remove some of our light from the room, as you see, it is fully lit up. Let me turn off the lights in the room so I can shine it on the table really quick. And now this is what we are talking about. That is all the LEDs you'll see here on the side. That's the reflection. There's 60 LEDs inside here, all beautiful. If you click it again, you increase the light as you see. Click it again, you switch to a different mode. This is like the colder color mode. Click it again, you make the colder mode brighter. And you click it again to dim it down. And again to go completely turn off. This is really beautiful. And the same with the other light. You click it to turn on, click again to increase it. Let me switch the mode on this one so you can actually see the difference right here. So click again and cycle through the lower mode, higher mode, and off. Both of them. These are really beautiful. Wow. It is actually quite bright, I gotta say. These are bright. So wherever you put them, whether it's a wall or outside in the garden, these will look absolutely beautiful. So let me turn them off really quick. As you see, when they see light, when you expose the solar panel to light, goes in charging mode and it turns off the LEDs. But if you close down the light, they both turn on right away, as you see. Very quick, because they are what's called light sensitive, not motion sensitive. Light sensitive. Now, that means when it gets dark outside, these will turn on by themselves. Unless you manually override and click the button to turn them off, then it's a different story. But by themselves, they will turn on the moment the light goes outside. So let me mount them really quick. And here's how they look outside. Really beautiful, by the way. I didn't notice that fly before, but it's there now. Really, really bright, whether you put them against vegetation or towards the grass or however you configure. And you can go throughout different lights and you check what fits better for your environment, how you want to have the lighting, bright, soft, or cold. That depends on you, but as you see, everything looks super bright. And just keep one thing in mind when you have these lights, that they are not connected to anything except for that solar panel on the back there, and the sun is charging them for you. So daytime they charge, nighttime they come on. You don't need to click anything unless you want to intentionally turn them off. As you see, they're making the tree look really beautiful right there. I really like them, actually. You can configure them how you want. As I said, in my opinion, I'm probably going to buy a few more to put all around the house, around the gardens, because it actually looks that good and I'm really liking them. And now we can put them in a different configuration. Like I said, you can actually face the ground, towards the ground, or towards me that I'm with the camera right now. And let me do just that and see how that looks. And here are facing the ground. It looks really beautiful as spotlights hitting that grass blades. Really phenomenal look, actually. I'm gonna lower the camera just so you can see. I can actually count the grass blades. That's how beautiful this looks. I am really pleased with these and really good quality. I really love them. Look at that. And I'm quite a few feet away, and there's other light around, huh? It's not pitch black, and these two still manage to actually come up on top. And now let's check the wall. And here's how they actually look on a wall, and differs, of course, from wall to wall. Depends what kind of wall you have. But basically, you can mount them outside as long as the top of the panel or the sun panel, solar panel faces the sun. You are good to go. And look how beautiful it makes everything look, actually, like real spotlights, but solar. So now you don't have to plug anything. You don't have to worry about the breaker or the circuit breaker, or even if the lights go out. These things, as long as they keep that charge going, you are good to go. And again, thank you for sending my way these two lights to test from Auderwin. I really appreciate it, and I really and highly suggest these lights.